Now here's a question on the equal concept, and there will be model drawing involved as well. A shopkeeper had a total of 1,028 apples and oranges. He sold 1/3 of his apples and 73 oranges. He then had an equal number of apples and oranges left. Now this is the keywords here. Equal number of apples and oranges left. Part A, what fraction of apples had he left? Part B, how many apples did he sell? Now, for part A, it's really a pretty direct fraction subtraction step that you need to do. For the fraction of apples that is left, we will just take take away that 1/3 of apples that he sold. So that will be 3 out of 3 minus 1 out of 3, which will give us 2/3 of apples left. This is the answer for part A. Part B is next. How many apples did he sell? Now, what we know from this question is that the number of apples and oranges left is the same. They are the same. So apples, we started off with 3 units, right? And we sold this 1 out of 3, and we are left with 2, right? So for oranges, we have sold 73 oranges. So I'm not sure how many units is that. So I'm just going to draw a box like this. And we're going to put 73 here. So this is how much he sold. And he's still left with the same 2 units, right? Because they said that whatever is left is the same for apples and oranges. So we're just going to extend this a little bit. I'm going to put the same 2 units. So this is whatever is left. This is whatever is left. And the first part here is whatever is sold. This part here is whatever is sold. And we know that the total fruits that he has at first is 1028. So we'll put 1028 here, okay? So the question is, how many apples did he sell? Basically, what is the value of this 1 unit? Now, to do this, we need to take 1028 and subtract away the 73 because we are not sure this 73, is it 1 unit, is it half a unit, what is it, right? So we take 1028 and we subtract away 73, and that will give us the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal units. So 5 equal units will have a numerical value of 1028 minus 73. So 5 units will be equals to, let's see what happens now, 1028 minus 73, 955 fruits. Okay, so we can find that 1 unit, which is just 955, divide this by 5. And we get a grand final answer of 191 apples that were being sold, because they just want that number of apples sold, which is just 1 unit here. Final answer for this question, 191.